Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 6th of August 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 hit yet another new record today, climbing 0.4% to finish at 7,538 points. What a week. The banks and Afterpay were the standout performers, with the latter finishing up 5.5%. CSL ended up 1.4%, while James Hardie and Woodside Petroleum both rose around 1.5%. The big miners did poorly following another fall in the price of iron ore. BHP was down almost 2% after it said it would spend more than $1 billion on oil projects in the Gulf of Mexico, dashing speculation that the big Australian was considering pulling out of oil and gas. Medical device maker ResMed said sales jumped 12% in the final quarter of the last financial year. The sleep apnea group benefited from a competitor recalling a product, though supply chain problems limited sales. Its share price ended slightly higher today. Media giant News Corp reported a net profit of $389 million for the last financial year. That's the best since the new company was created in 2013. The growth came from the group's digital real estate services, book publishing, and Dow Jones. The subscription video services business, which includes Foxtel in Australia, increased revenue by 10%. News Corp's share price jumped almost 8% today and was the best among the top 200. Online property group REA, which is majority owned by News Corp, posted a net profit of $313 million for the last financial year. The result was strong on the back of the booming property market, though the outlook was much more sanguine, and its share price fell nearly 5%. In economic news, the Reserve Bank has cut its growth forecast for the rest of this year, but repeated that it expects 2022 to grow faster than first forecast. On the back of lockdowns down the East Coast, the central bank has pulled back its forecast for the second half of the year based on the current quarter being negative. The bank expects underlying inflation to push into its target band in late 2023, while the unemployment rate is tipped to fall to 4% by then. The lockdowns don't look like ending anytime soon, certainly not in New South Wales. That state reported 291 community-transmitted cases of COVID today. The Aussie dollar heads into the weekend buying 73.9 US cents. That's down a touch. Just recapping Wall Street, the S&P 500 closed up 0.5%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and Nasdaq both ended up 0.8%. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 6th of August 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the Saturday edition of Fear and Greed, where I wrap up all the big stories of the week. And then on Sunday, we're changing things up a bit and having a chat about some of the big events and stories going on in financial markets. There's three of us talking, so we'd love to hear what you think. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.